Good morning, class. This is the corrected video on how to easily download, complete, and submit your learning log. This is going to be a much faster video than the one prior. The learning logs will always take place on a day 7. So right now I'm in a day 7 folder. I'm going to click the 1-point perspective learning log at the bottom. Then you'll see view attachments. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click linear perspective learning log. And now, right now it's a jumbled screen. It's just a preview screen. I want to hit the arrow at the top right, the white arrow. And I'm going to scroll up here and look for copy to Word. If you can't find copy to Word, hit the more, and then it will pop up there somewhere. But I'm going to hit copy to Word. Just waiting. All right, and now it says it's a read only. If you look at that gray bar at the top, it says read only. To make changes and edit this, all you have to do is hit save a copy on the right side of that gray bar. I'm just gonna hit, let me see, let's just put this in a random folder. I'll put this in art attendance forms, why not? And I'm gonna hit save. All right, so once you save it to a folder, now you can scroll through this and you can edit this. For the vocabulary, all you need to do is double tap the box. It's supposed to be easier than it's not. There you go. Double tap the box, then you type the letter that correlates to the word for the definition. All right, just double tap the boxes. Once you've done that, you're going to answer these 3 questions. Please read the details, the directions carefully. And then lastly, your essential question, which should be 3 sentences or more. This is the question that encompasses everything we learned to demonstrate that you understand the overarching lesson objectives, which can be found at the very top up here under learning goals. Once you're done, once you've completed the whole thing, what you're going to do is you're going to submit it right here through your Word document. You're not going to go into Schoology first. You're just going to submit it here. I'm going to hit the 3 white dots up here at the top right, and I want to hit send a copy. I'm going to hit send a copy. Once I'm here, I want to hit send with another app. Then I'm going to find Schoology. I want to send this to Schoology, and my Schoology is not popping up, so I'm going to hit more. And there's copy to Schoology at the bottom, so I'm going to hit copy to Schoology. From here, it's pretty self-explanatory. I want to submit an assignment, so I'll hit submit an assignment. I want to select a course. I don't know why I don't really have a course, but I'll submit it here. I'm going to submit it there, and I will basically find what I want, and I'll just hit upload it. You just follow through the steps and you'll find it. I can't do it because I'm not an actual student, but that's how you essentially upload it. Please message me if you have any questions, if you have trouble uploading your learning log. This is for 28 points, so you want to make sure you do this accurately and I get it in a timely manner. Okay, class, I hope this helped, and I will see you in class.